Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh girl, yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, or you want someone like you? Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before. Before I had you right in some. And again, I can be drunk. Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. But theirs is like a law. I know it just be the best. I'm looking at her and her started turning to you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her? We probably trapped in the birds. F29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, I make this shit beat. Don't have a teeth when I feast. They doing this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it hard to creep. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. Are you about to rail? The Nordic is down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right in some months. But then again, I can be drunk. Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity.
phenomenon. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Arabella hair and I am reviewing this gorgeous red unit from them, you guys. And it has like these beautiful like hot red. I want to say like hot red because it's just like it's just very spicy. It just reminds me of like a big red gum pack or something. It's just so pretty. I love the fact that it has like these highlights and lowlights in it, but it's all red. I haven't seen a unit like this before, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. And I love the color red on my skin tone. It's actually one of my favorite colors to wear, whether it is a burgundy color or just like a straight up red. I absolutely love the way that looks on me, and this just complements me so well. I absolutely love the fact that this unit already came curled, which just saves you a lot of time. Now I did go ahead and just like fix some of the curls with this Conair curling iron, and this is just like really old. I've had it for so long. I'm sure that this is probably still available somewhere. If you guys want to get this exact one, just let me know and I'll link it for you guys. But yeah, that Conair curling iron is just the best. I love the curls that already came in here, but like I said, I just needed to refresh these like curls like in the very front. But yeah, so pretty. Love this color, and the curls actually last. Now typically when I have a unit like this, I would like run my fingers through it or get a comb and like comb all the curls out, but I just love the fact that I love these curls that they already have in it, so I didn't want to mess that up by like finger combing it or just like playing around with it too much, so I just left it as is. I do currently have this unit in a 26 inch, so it is pretty long. If I was to flat iron it out, you guys would be able to see how long it is. I might actually do that like in a separate video. Maybe I can do like a get ready with me with this same unit, but I will say that the curls are holding very well. Even the curls that I like added to it, they're not like falling, they're not dropping or anything like that. And I do like the parting space in this unit. Here's an up close look at that, and I did put some concealer in my part. I probably could like blend the actual lace a little bit better, but I did put like my foundation on there. I use this brush. Where's the foundation? I use this foundation. I wouldn't recommend doing that with this unit. I feel like just put it on as it is, and just like whatever makeup you already have on, that'll probably be better, because I feel like when I did that, it made the lace stand out, and that's not a good thing. So don't put any like dark makeup on your lace. Try not to put like too much on there, because I feel like it makes it stand out a little bit. The lace does come pre-cut. I did cut that excess part off because I don't like the scallop edge personally. I feel like you can still see it. Like it's not really as like blendable as a lot of people feel like it is. So I typically cut that part off. So that's what I did. And I just used scissors, but you can use a razor. You can use whatever you feel like is best for you. But I did cut that off. And this is a completely glueless unit, you guys. I did not have to use any product today to adhere this unit. And you can just literally take a comb like this and you can go right up underneath that lace there without any problem. Okay, now if you wanted to, you can definitely use like lace front glue or anything like that, but I did want to show you guys that you don't have to if you don't want to. This is a closure unit as well. It has the adjustable elastic band that hooks in at the top, so I love that about it. And the band is, I want to say that it's like it has like that non-slip grip on it, so you don't have to worry about the unit coming off. And it has a comb in the very back, but other than that, there aren't any like adjustable straps or anything in the back. But one thing that I really like about this particular closure unit is that they have like a part on it where it goes around your ear, so you don't have to worry about it like making your ears stick out. So as you guys can see here, there's like a little curve. You guys probably can't tell, but there is a curve here so that it doesn't go on my ears. My ear is just like regular, and it's just like not sticking out, or like it's not uncomfortable or anything like that. Put my ear down so you guys can see that there. But yeah, so I like that feature in it, because a lot of times when I have closure units, that's like definitely an issue when you have a unit and like that elastic like the dome cap is like going over your ear, and sometimes it hurts, or it's like pushing your ear out and just making it uncomfortable to wear. So I like the fact that they did put that feature in it. And even though it doesn't have the straps in the very back, it's still very secure. So what I did was the elastic strap that's at the top, of course, when I put that on, I just hooked the comb that's in the back underneath that, so it just makes it lay really flat. But yeah, all in all, this is an amazing unit. It's perfect for beginners and perfect for girls who just want to try a new color. I've had a lot of units from other companies where they send me like a unit that's pre-curled, but I haven't received one in this color. So I was like, absolutely, I need that in my life immediately. And it just came out so pretty, you guys. Like, look at that color up close. It's so smooth. I should zoom you guys in so you guys can get like a really good look instead of leaning forward, but you guys get the point. And then let me do that comb test for you guys again. You can literally take the comb and go right up underneath that lace, okay? So this is completely glueless. You do get a decent amount of parting space in the front. The tracks start like right around there on both ends, so you get a decent amount of space. And then the parting space actually goes back a little bit further. The tracks start right around here, but I don't want to like open it up anymore just because I want everything to like lay flat. I kind of, off camera, I use like my heat polisher and my hot comb to like get everything to lay flat, so I don't want to move that around too much and cause any like frizziness, because there are like a little bit of flyaways on this one. So yeah, I don't want to like mess that up again. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Shout out to Arabella for sending over this beautiful red unit to me. I know a lot of you guys are gonna like this one. I am absolutely in love with this color. I'm in love with the style, and like I said, I am gonna do a second video with this one and just show you guys what it looks like flat ironed out. Maybe I'll post it for TikTok or something like that. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, definitely do so. It's the same as my name on all my other social media platforms, Dom the Tastemaker. So follow me on there. I might do the second part on there showing how this unit like flat irons out. It's so pretty. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Arabella here for sponsoring today's video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.